beat your fucking ass. Mom, dad, my buns are fucking hands. Don't ask. Crime, wine, self-pity, and all that shit. Time to stand up, and I forgot about this. Gonna fight tonight, the man my life, feeling fine, take it to mind, my lines, entering your mind, subliminal messages you might find. I'ma do it this time, do shit right, this is my life, and I glitch it once or twice, but I'ma make it right, I see the motherfucking Hollywood sign. Every dollar I make, every dollar I find, gonna fuck the world, yeah, warp your mind, you will never figure me out, so don't waste your time. Intertwine your mind soon as you enter a mind. Paradise, yeah, you might find, around the corner of the minds, enter the realm of the devil's eyes. 666 to 5, pick up sticks, make a crucifix, what the fuck you gonna do with this? Come here, don't be shy, devil's inside, demons lurking behind, come at me, you get after, yeah. Watch tonight, Satan's delight. Come with me as I rise and start a new fucking enterprise. Feeling shy, but I think it's time to speak my mind. I am the motherfucking alpha, beta, and the omega. Y'all better back the fuck off, y'all got an interest in breathing. I don't mean to be mean, but that's all I can be. All my life it's just been me. Only one who can beat me is me. My literature I've seen, take it to the streets, got no time for the deep. Come at me and go ahead, bitch, I'm a freak. Lay your bed, bitch, you're dead. Yep, that's what I said, bitch, suck my dick, that means give me head. You and your friend, so listen to what I said as I climb this mountain up ahead. Come for that throne that belongs on my motherfucking head. That's what I got to say. Watch it, little bitches, I'm coming your way.